Hello, beautiful humans. I just wanted to check in and see how you're doing and to offer some suggestions for how to help deal with this wild pandemic. So I'm going to start off by saying I love the maker movement for many reasons, two of which are very relevant for what we're all dealing with right now. The first is that making things is a very human experience. It's a really good way to take care of ourselves, both physically, mentally, and emotionally, and spiritually. So if you're feeling stressed or anxious or overwhelmed or depressed, grab some markers, some paper, some crayons, colored pencils, or if you want to make a sculpture, some random assorted materials, perhaps some nature materials or some upcycled materials and some tape or a hot glue gun, and just start making. Just let yourself go. It's okay if it doesn't look good. If you don't like it afterwards, you can burn it or throw it away. That's fine. You don't have to show anybody, but just let it out. Express yourself. Let go of all of the worries and stresses and just focus on creating something. It'll help, I promise. The second thing that is very relevant across the maker movement is the entrepreneurial spirit. Think of the things that you enjoy creating or making. Think of the things that you enjoy doing. If you are unsure of where your next paycheck is coming from, if you have been let go or furloughed, or you are just in this kind of uncertain, tumultuous economic bubble that most of us are in, you can use some of your skill sets to help to fill in income gaps. Because it's really hard to take care of ourselves physically and emotionally if we are super stressed about money. Our world runs on it. That's how it goes. I wish we had a better support system specifically for times like that. I hope that this is an opportunity that allows us to talk about how we can have a better social safety net. It's a whole nother conversation. But in the meantime, you are capable of so many things. You have lots of skills. So figure out when you are in an okay place mentally and emotionally to see if there's a way that you can fill your income gaps with some of those skills. So talk to your friends and your family. See what sorts of things they value you for. When they come to you for advice, what are they asking you for? Are they asking you about woodworking? Are they asking you about financial advice? Are they asking you about legal terminology? There are lots of different things that you have to share with the world, and there are lots of digital platforms for you to be able to share that. If you're a musician and all of your shows got canceled, maybe there's a way for you to do music lessons virtually, or to host a live show where people can donate. There are tons of options out there, and ultimately you're going to be the best person to decide what is the best direction for you to take. But it really helps getting some feedback from other people, especially when it comes to analyzing ourselves and our own superpowers. So the other thing that I would ask is for all of y'all that are makers and that are either bringing in income on the side or doing this full time, please share some of the tips and tricks that you have so that you can help other people. And it doesn't necessarily have to be on my feed, but just talk to people, share your expertise and advice, and help lift others up together. So I hope that this is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, or if you're like, where do I get started? I'm happy to help provide whatever feedback or resources that I can. I would also recommend checking out my website because I have a lot of project ideas if you're looking for inspiration, if you want to learn a new skill, or honestly, if you are interested in contributing and want to write a blog post and share your tips and tricks and ideas, by all means reach out and I'm happy to make you a contributor. Cool. All right. So that's my spiel. Thank you, makers. And I hope that all of you are doing okay. Please reach out if you need somebody to talk to. We will get through this. It's challenging, but let's think of it as an opportunity to build a better system that's more inclusive and that's more stable and secure for every single one of us, because all of our successes and all of our failures are tied together. Let's take care of each other. All right. See you soon. Bye.